Welcome to the lecture number 4 of formation of partial differential equation by elimination of arbitrary function. In previous lecture we have seen how to eliminate arbitrary constant. Now how to eliminate arbitrary function. So again, if one arbitrary function is there, then we get PDE of order 1, and if two arbitrary function is there, then we get PDE of order greater than 1. So there are two types of problem. First type of problem is phi is a function of x, y, z is equal to 0, where phi is a arbitrary function and z is dependent variable which depends on x and y. Another type of problem is phi of u v is equal to 0. So that we will see later. First question is eliminate and form PDE for z is equal to f of x square minus y square. Z is here f is arbitrary function and x and y are independent variable. Z is dependent variable. So only one arbitrary function is there. So we get PDE of order 1. Next, z is equal to f of y by x. Two independent variable, that is x and y, one arbitrary function, and z is dependent variable. So one arbitrary function means PDE of order 1. Similarly, in third problem, z is equal to f of xy by z. So one arbitrary function, two independent variable, and one dependent variable. So PDE of order 1. So in all three examples we will get PDE of order 1. So see how to solve first example. If z is equal to f of x square minus y square, then we differentiate this z with respect to x. What is del z by del x? Del z by del x is derivative of x by derivative of z with respect to x, that is del z by del x. F dash of f derivative is in general f dash of x square minus y square multiplied by derivative of x square is 2x and y minus y square derivative becomes 0. So del z by del x is p, which is equal to 2x into f dash of x square minus y square. Second, differentiate with respect to y. So del z by del y is equal to f dash of x square minus y square multiplied by derivative of x square with respect to y 0 and y minus y square derivative with respect to y is minus 2y. So cube we obtain minus 2y f dash of x square minus y square. So we divide 1 divided by 2, we obtain p by q. It is equal to 2x f dash of x square minus y square divided by minus 2y f dash of x square minus y square. So this we get p by q is equal to minus of x by y, because this function is same, it get cancelled. So py cross multiply, py is equal to minus of x into q. So py plus qx is equal to 0. So this is a first order partial differential equation we get after eliminating arbitrary function f. Now second example is z is equal to f of y by x. Z is equal to f of y by x is second example. F of y by x. Now in this example, we first differentiate with respect to x and then with respect to y. So differentiate with respect to y. Now differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of z with respect to x, del z by del x. Derivative of f become f dash y by x, and derivative of this y by x with respect to x. So y is a constant term, we write it as it is, and derivative of x, 1 by x derivative is minus 1 upon x square. So this is del z by del x is p, which is equal to f dash of y by x multiplied by minus y upon x square. Minus y upon x square we keep as it is, minus y by x square. Or you can write it as px square is equal to minus y into f dash of y by x. Give this as equation number 1. Similarly, differentiate with respect to y. So del z by del y, it is equal to f dash of y by x multiplied by derivative of y with respect to y. So derivative of y is 1 and 1 by x remain as it is. So this is q. Q is equal to f dash of y by x multiplied by 1 by x. So cross multiply it, x multiplied by q is equal to f dash of y by x. Don't take out this y by x from this f and then don't cross multiply it. It is in function. So it remain as it is. So this is equation number 2. Now divide 1 by 2. Divide 1 by 2. We get px square divided by xq, left hand side divided by left hand side, is equal to minus of y f dash of y by x divided by f dash of y by x. So this is x, 1x will get cancelled, px is equal to minus of qy. So it can be written as, because this get cancelled, and px plus qy is equal to 0. So this is a PDE of order 1 after eliminating arbitrary function f. Now third question is z is equal to f of xy by z. If it is z is equal to f of xy by z, then again differentiate with respect to x. So del z by del x is equal to f dash of xy by z. In bracket we have both x, y as well as z. So to find out derivative with respect to x of xy by z, it is z is a function of x and y and x into y in numerator. So we have to use here quotient rule. So denominator multiplied by derivative of numerator with respect to x. So xy derivative with respect to x is y, minus numerator multiplied by derivative of denominator with respect to x, so del z by del x, divided by denominator square, that is z square. So del z by del x is p is equal to f dash of xy by z multiplied by zy minus xyp divided by z square. So this is equation number 1. Now next is differentiate with respect to y. So differentiate with respect to y. Del z by del y, it is equal to f dash of xy divided by z multiplied by z into denominator into derivative of this xy with respect to y. So y derivative is 1, here it is x, minus xy multiplied by derivative of z with respect to y divided by denominator square. So this is del z by del y is q is equal to f dash of xy by z. In short, you can write f dash also, xz minus xyq divided by z square. Give this as equation number 2. Now divide 1 by 2. So 1 divided by 2, we get p divided by q is equal to f dash of xy by z multiplied by zy minus xyp divided by z square, whole divided by f dash of xy by z xz minus xyq divided by z square. So which term will get cancelled? First this will get cancelled. 1 upon z square and 1 upon z square get cancelled. Remaining is p by q is equal to zy minus xyp divided by zx minus xyq. So this is the remaining term. Simplify it further, cross multiply p multiplied by zx minus xyq is equal to q multiplied by zy minus xyp. So pz multiplied by x minus xypq is equal to qzy minus xypq. So minus xypq get cancelled from both the side. Remaining is pzx plus qzy minus qz, or you can write equal to qzy. Now zz also will get cancelled. Px is equal to qy. So this is a partial differential equation of order 1 by eliminating one arbitrary constant, one arbitrary function, not constant. So in next lecture we will see some more example on this elimination of arbitrary function. Thank you.